Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, just a quick update. Not much going on here on the Bitcoin chart today. The altcoins were much more interesting. Now we see a bit of a pullback after we had a bit of a rally, but overall we are still in a range, moving up and down in corrective patterns. I have to say though that the move up has a bit of, has some characteristics of a 5-wave move. I discussed that in the last video. So that would be the blue 1-2 setup. And again, I'm only going to take a look at the shorter time frame here. We're not going to talk about, the daily chart. We can do that tomorrow again. Just want to share with you the key levels. So let's talk about the rally from this swing low at around the 26th of November. So we have in the yellow count still this potential B-wave rally that we discussed, yeah? So the idea was, hey, maybe we have a substantial top in place. Not an overall bull market top or something, but a top that could now lead to a pullback into the maybe 80K region, low to mid 80K region in an A, B, C structure. In this scenario, it is possible that the decline is an A wave. This here is a B wave and we move down in a C wave. Actually, it would be best if I just change the wave degree of the ABC pattern. In this case, it is possible that we are still in the B wave. The move up looks choppy, so it could be a WXY structure. And the reason for that is because this here looks, if it's the yellow B wave, looks as if the Y wave could subdivide into an ABC structure. So A, B, C. So we could get one more high even in this scenario. If the B wave is a WXY structure, in this case, the price should hold above the Thursday low, which formed at $94,750. Yeah, so that would be the level that must not be broken in the yellow count. Well, if it happens, it might be the B wave has topped already. But I mean, I just want to explain the B wave could easily extend. In the yellow count, I would prefer that just because it looks a little bit like that, yeah. But B waves are, unpredictable. That's what they are. They can change often because B waves can be WXY structures, they can be ABCs and so on. But it's quite simple. Should the price break below that Thursday low at 94,700, the WXY as it is shown here would be invalidated. It would then be quite simple. It would then be between, okay, the B wave has topped already and we're moving down in wave C directly into the 80K region as explained. Or it's the blue extension to the upside, so another 1-2 setup where this is a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not an ideal structure. Wave 4 was a bit deep, but valid. And that's unchanged from the previous video. That support area that I added to the chart is between 95,618 and 92,418. And I tried to explain to you in the previous update that the 78.6 retracement down there at 92,418 is the pivot for me that distinguishes between bullish and bearish momentum, which means another extension to the upside or a drop down into the 80K region. So it's very simple. As long as we have a level that helps us to understand when probabilities shift, is very helpful. Yeah. So at the moment, that means as long as we're above support, we can still watch for higher prices. I don't know how much is going to happen over the weekend. Maybe it will rather be an interesting altcoin weekend. I'd very much like that. I don't mind Bitcoin moving sideways a bit, but the altcoins are catching up, some of them rallying quite nicely. So yeah, the idea, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, definitely an interesting concept. Here I would watch the following support levels next: 95,618, 94,670 and 93,736. If we turn around, a break above the green line is needed to open the door again to 100K. That's the previous swing high from the 25th of November at around 98,000, 950. Pretty much 99K, yeah. And then the next upside level is 100,329. So overall, not much going on there. Moving up, moving down, moving up. Still in a sideways range overall when zooming out. And I hope the levels that matter are clear. The price structure itself, it is clearly in a range. I mean, you see that, yeah. Since we've moved up here, you know, we've just moved up and down, and now up again, you know, lower highs, higher lows. So we need some kind of a breakout to get some further clarity in which direction the market wants to move. But it's no surprise that it takes a while until the 100K level breaks. It's psychological resistance. There's a strong sell wall there. So it just takes some effort to really get through there. That's really everything. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.